Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create animated GIFs for social media using Canva. Fast, easy, and totally free with Canva Pro. If you've ever wanted to make your post stand out with eye-catching motion, this video is for you. By the end, you'll be able to design smooth, professional-looking GIFs that loop perfectly on Instagram, Facebook, or even Twitter. Let's dive right in. Getting started in Canva first, log into your Canva account and click the Create a Design button at the top right. In the search bar, type animated and select animated social media from the suggestions. This will open up a bunch of pre-designed animation templates made specifically for social platforms. Choose one that fits your vibe, whether it's for a product promo, an announcement, or just something fun for your feed. Add dynamic elements. Now it's time to bring your design to life. Head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a section called Stickers. These are moving graphics that instantly add motion and energy to your post. Browse through the options or search for something that fits your theme, like sparkles, arrows, or emojis. Then just drag and drop them onto your canvas. You can resize or reposition them until they look just right. The key is to balance motion and simplicity so your design doesn't feel too crowded. Adjust animation timing. Next, let's fine-tune how your GIF moves. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the timeline bar. Here's the trick. If you drag the ends of the timeline to the left, your animation will speed up. Perfect for snappy, attention-grabbing GIFs. If you extend it to the right, your animation will slow down, ideal for smoother, calmer visuals. Play around until the pacing feels natural for your content. Remember, the goal is to hold your viewers' attention without overdoing it. Export as GIF. Once you're happy with the animation, it's time to export it. Click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Under the file type, choose GIF instead of MP4. GIFs are special because they loop continuously, making them perfect for social media engagement. Finally, hit download and Canva will generate your animated GIF ready to post and impress your followers. And that's it. You've just learned how to create stunning animated GIFs for social media in Canva. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Canva and design tips. Now go ahead, create your first GIF and make your social media shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.